Hello, this is Amin, and you are watching session 25 of ASP.NET Core tutorial. In this session, we will talk about Vue Start and Vue imports. Let's flip to Visual Studio and talk about Vue Start and Vue imports with the project that we have been working so far throughout this tutorial. If you look at detail view or list view or even index view of home, you can see we declare and introduce the layout file in all the views inside the view. And imagine if we have more than 100 views and for any reason we want to change the layout views, we have to change the layout in all the views file. And also we enter this line of code for all the views, and this is somehow against don't repeat yourself principle. For preventing this behavior and declare the layout in one place and also facilitate maintenance in future, we can use Vue Start facility and Vue Start feature. For creating Vue Start, it should be placed inside Views folder. Right click on Views, add new item, and here search for Vue Start. And we can create or razor Vue Start. And it is the file that we have. And here just I should enter the name of my layout file inside Vue Start. And now I can remove the layout declaration from my views. This is for list view, and this is for detail view. And now all my views receive the layout file from Vue Start, which is main layout, which is created in shared folder. Let's save the project and run the project. This is the home index view, and if you look at the page source, you can see it is still I have my layout while I deleted the layout line from my view. And also we can check cast detail, and also I have the element that I entered in my layout file and layout view. And also inside the list, it is the same. Also, I can still create Vue Start in each subfolder by right-click on the subfolder, add a new item, and again search for Vue Start, and create my Vue Start inside each subfolder. The order of using Vue Start is hierarchical, and it means the setting in Vue Start in subfolder is override on setting of Vue Start. And also I still can use the layout inside the view, and it is the first order. I mean, if I put the layout file inside my view, it is override on Vue Start inside the subfolder, and also this one is override this setting inside the Vue Start in views. And this is hierarchical. And also if I want to use one view without layout view, I can set the layout to null, and in this situation my detail won't use layout file. Let's check it and go to cast detail. And as you can see, the layout file isn't loaded here because we set the detail view layout to null. Let's back to Visual Studio and comment this slide. Another feature that can improve my experience of coding, especially for views, is using of view imports. View imports is the place that I can store and declare my namespace, common namespaces. And as you can see, there is some namespace here. And also, if you look at the list, you can see I have another namespace here. It is daily cost web application models. And also here I have daily cost web application view models. And also inside a list, I have one tag helper. I can store and declare the namespaces in the place which is view imports. I should create my view imports inside views folder. For this purpose, I can right click on views, add new item, and search for view imports. And I can create my view imports here. And now I want to move the namespaces to my view imports. Let me cut it from here. And as you can see, since I cut it, red squiggly line appears on their cost detail view model because its namespace is not declared now. As long as I save this namespace inside the view imports with using directive and save it, the error inside the detail view disappeared, and I can use cost detail view model without using the namespace because I declare its namespace in view imports. Let me do it for this namespace. And I can use again using a directive. Let me save it. And same behavior for cost class, which is inside the daily cost web application models. And as we declare this namespace inside our view imports, we can use it without the namespace. And also for tag helper, I can remove the tag helper directive from here. And as I remove it, you can see the tag helper is not working anymore. And as long as I move it here and save it inside the view import, tag helper is activated. Let me save the project and also delete this view start that I don't want to use it because I don't have the layout with name of layout. And now I have one view start file and one view imports file. And also I can create view imports same as view start in all the subfolders, but it is the same and the order is hierarchical, and the view imports inside the subfolder settings is overridden to view imports inside the views. Let's save it and run the project once more and see the results, and go to cost detail, which has the model directive and also list. As you can see, the project is up and running and the views is presenting the data that I requested without any error. This is the wrap up of the session. View start is a file that is a structure, and its file extension is same as a view, and for C# is cshtml, and for VB is vbhtml. The code inside view start file is executed before each view, and also with view start I can prevent code duplication, and I can change the layout of the views inside one file, and this is facilitate maintenance process. And also view start order is hierarchical, and the order of layout inside the view is in the top, and after that is the view start file inside subfolder, and view start inside the views folder order is less than the rest. And also It is the same for view imports. The hierarchy in subfolder order is top of the view import inside views folder, and also the extension file as view import is same as the rest of the views, and view import is the place to declare namespaces, tag helper, and inject. That's it in this session. Thank you for watching Golden Courses tutorials. You can follow us on our social media, and also you can subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching us.